So here's a glass whiteboard. They're very heavy. I'm just going to show you what you can do in case the holes that they have pre-drilled don't line up with your studs. What I did was get a piece of 2x4. Okay, 2x4 top and bottom. Got it the same height so that you don't see it from the face. It's evened out. It's 4 feet high. And you can screw that into the studs. And then you can use these pre-drilled holes with the screws provided to go into the studs that you installed. You have the whole length, so you can put it anywhere you want within that length. If you just rely on the studs on the wall, you might not wind up where it belongs. This way you can do that. It makes it easier. And of course, when you install these pieces you gotta put in first. Keep it a little loose so that it can play a little bit as you put the glass on. Once you get the glass on it, you can tighten it up. There's a screw in there, tighten it up. Then you can put the cap on. All right, so don't keep it tight because to get it exactly to fit, it's gonna be tough, right? So keep it a little loose, get it on, and then tighten it up, and then put the cap on. And make sure you have help with this because this is extremely, extremely heavy. This is a 4x8 sheet. Thanks for watching.